To enable overdraft on Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click the Card tab located at the bottom of the screen, adjacent to the Money Balance icon. From there, scroll through the Cash Card options and select Free Overdraft Coverage. After reviewing the provided information, click Continue to activate the overdraft feature. Note that this feature is only available if you have an activated Cash App card, and you must have direct deposit enabled with a minimum of $300 in monthly direct deposit paychecks. Once enabled, the overdraft feature will automatically apply when your balance reaches zero. With no overdraft fees, the amount of overdraft coverage you may receive, up to $50, depends on your account history. Keep in mind that these fees and rates are current and subject to change in the future. Enabling overdraft on Cash App is a straightforward process.